And here's our recipe for the coconut tiramisu or tiramisu in coconut milk. First, we need a 3 egg yolk. And then we're going to blend it together with the mascarpone. I use 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. Then we're going to blend it until it becomes smooth and thick. And then I'm going to mix it with 100 ml of coconut cream and continue to blend it. And some lemon zest and a juice of 1 lemon. I use green lemon. And now we're going to do the egg white, the 3 egg white, and blend it until it become like icing texture. And we're going to mix it together with the mascarpone mixture. And I use 100 grams of honey. And then blend them a little bit more. And now I'm going to warm up the coconut milk. And we're going to start to soak the ladyfinger biscuits and arrange it to the pie dish. And then we're going to pour the half of the cream mixture, and then we're going to put again the biscuits and finish with the cream. Then sprinkle some lemon zest and desiccated coconut and then chilled.